Hey, this is Brian at CMM Offroad. We've got our JKU shifters out now. The install for the T-case, we did the regular transmission shifter automatic. We'll now show you how to remove the T-case shifter. So the factory one's right here. I usually do this back in like the neutral spot. It works pretty good. There's a spring tab inside this that basically holds it in place. So what you want to do is get a firm grip on it, give it a couple of twists, and it'll pop itself right off. The way it's, as you can see right here, this shape, there's a little spring tab that hooks onto this, and all you're doing is basically walking that thing back and forth so it pops. So now let's go ahead and put our new CMM shifter on it. All right, when you get your shifter and get it out of the box, this is the T-case shifter. It'll also be a T20 Torx bit. There are 4 bolts, 2 longer ones at the top, 2 shorter ones at the bottom. We're gonna pull those out so we can get this installed. I've got our quick little tool here that we'll use for the removal. We'll fast forward through this. Okay, now that we have the bolts out of it, we will pull this apart. It's a nice snug little fit, but it'll separate for you. We'll take the side that has the back strap attached to it. You'll notice there's a shape that's inside here that matches the shape on our shifter. It goes over, sets right on there where it goes. Same for this opposite side. It goes on here. Give it a good little squeeze. Once again, 2 longer bolts. There's our difference. Longer bolts go to the top, shorter bolts to the bottom. Slide these in. Whatever tool you're using with the T20, snug them all up. We'll get them all started here. We'll snug these up. It is a small bolt. Don't over tighten it. Just a good, firm, tight snug. My ratchet will work with me. There we go. And you're good to go.